barely, not even 3 or 4 seconds. And now I would like to welcome all our Sunday school children to please come up. And or I'm not knowing if they're sitting and reciting, are they standing? What would you like to do, kids? Would you like to stand or sit? The energy we had in the Vedic discourse, I think you all should jump and sing. Get up. So I would request you all to please stand. And also the lyrics will be displayed on the projector here, so we all can participate.
Face towards audience. Yeah, we'll wait. Sorry. Wait, I will give one more mic. Oh, come stand here. नहीं माइक नहीं आएगा. Yeah, look there. Look there. सब इकट्ठे हो जाओ. Share with each other. One. Speak and then speak.
Yeah. O Lord Hari, who have assumed the form of Balarama, the wielder of the plough, all glories to you. On your brilliant white body, you wear garments the color of refreshed wood.
Great cloud. These garments are colored like the graceful work of you and the Maria
Fields straight of hair.
due to your striking of your plowshare.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Balaram Purnima.
So let's give a big round of applause to all our Sunday school children. They added to the auspicious celebrations of Balaram Purnima today. And may I get everybody's attention? I just have three very important announcements to make. As I was mentioning before, that August 29th, which is a Saturday, coming Saturday, ISKCON Mississauga is pleased to announce that we have our first corporate event happening at Hyatt Hotel, and this is a paid event, so please book your seat. And also we are pleased to invite you for the Janamashtami celebrations on Friday, which is September 4th, next week, 6 p.m. onwards at the same Vic Johnston Community Center. And also that Sunday, we'll be celebrating His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada's Appearance Day celebrations as well at the Vic Johnston Community Center. So 3 dates to remember. Anybody remembers? Starting this Saturday, what date? What do we have? Corporate event, and then followed by the Janamashtami celebrations. And that Sunday we'll be celebrating Prabhupada's Jesus Appearance Day. So now to the next part of our program.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. We are now reciting Lord Balaram Kavacha Stotra, and this is the best of the armors. It destroys the fears of the demigods and demons. It is a blazing fire that burns up the fuel of a host of sins. It is the death of a host of obstacles. It is the abode of spiritual perfection. This is from Garga Samhita. It was originally given by the gopis by Garga Muni, to the gopis by the Garga Muni, and Sri Pradvipaka Muni recited it again to Duryodhana. So we are reciting Sri Balaram Stotra Kavacha.
परेषु मां पातु पवित्र कीर्तनः भूमण्डलं स्वस्वपद्विलक्ष्यते यन्मूर्ति मां पातु स भूमिमण्डले सेनासु मां रक्षतु क्षीरपाणिः युद्धे सदा रक्षतु मां हरि च दुर्गेषु च सदा मां वनेषु संकर्षण आदिदेवः कारिन्दजामेघहरो जलेषु नीलाम्बरो रक्षतु मां सदग्नो वायौ च रामो वतु केवलश्च महार्णवेऽनन्दबभुः सदा मां श्रीवासुदेवो पर्वतेषु सहस्रशीर्षा च महाविवादे रोगेषु मां रक्षतु रोहिणीयो महाकामबालो वतु वा विपत्सु कामात् सदा रक्षतु धेनुकारिणी क्रोधात् सदा मां पीडितापराहरी लोभात् सदा रक्षतु बलबलारे मोहात् सदा मां खिलमागतारिणी प्रातः सदा रवीन्द्रोऽवतु मां सदैव कालात् परो रक्षतु मां प्रदोषे पूर्णे निशीते च दुरन्तवीर्यः प्रत्यूषकाले वतु मां सदैव दिदिक्षु मां रक्षतु रेवतीपते दिक्षु प्रलाम्बरैरादो यदुवतः ऊर्ध्वं सदा मां बलभद्रहारात् तथा समन्तात् बलदेव एव हि अन्तः सदव्यात् पुरुषोत्तमो बहिः नागेन्द्रलीलो वतु मां महाबलः षडान्तरात्मा च विशन् हरिः स्वयं प्रभापूर्णा परमेश्वरो महान् देवासुराणां भयनाशनं च उदासनां पापचयेन्दनानां विनाशनां विघ्नगतस्य विद्धि सिद्धासनां वर्मपरं बलस्य इति श्री बलराम स्तोत्र कवचं संपूर्णम् हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे थैंक यू ऑल वेरी मच
Thank you to all the Matajis. This added even more pious moments in our evening on this auspicious day. And once again, I would like to thank everyone who came out today and made this event happen. Also, we are pleased to announce that we have a reading club and we are encouraging all newcomers to read Srila Prabhupada's books, 2-3 pages a day. And the book for the month of August is Beyond Birth and Death. So if anybody who's just joined us, has anybody joined us in between the celebrations whom we missed in the before? I know one Mataji sitting there at the back, she's here for the first time. So what an auspicious day to be here. Let's give a big round of applause for her. And also we know Janaki Mataji and family who are here, especially from Whitby. So thank you to you all for coming today too. And now as the celebrations begin, I would like to share that we have some two special birthdays to share. So I would, I got confused there. I thought. So Nived, I would request Nived to please come forward. He's our Sunday school participant and his birthday was on August 23rd. And also our dear Vikas Prabhu. So Nived is here. We wish you a happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Haribo!
And also I would request Vikas Prabhu, if he's hearing me, who celebrated his birthday yesterday on August 26th, if he could wish him as well. Vikas Prabhu, I did see him earlier today. And also we extend our special wishes to Mahavishnu Prabhu and Pramila Mataji who celebrated their anniversary yesterday. Sneha Mataji and Amogha Prabhu who will be celebrating their anniversary on the August 31st. So let's give a big round of applause and participate in the celebrations. And also, as we all know, we are coming to the conclusion of this beautiful celebration of Balaram Purnima. Let's take a moment to remember the mercy. Can I get everybody's attention? No side talking, please. Let's keep the momentum till we finish the program. So, while we'll be celebrating Nived's birthday, I would just like to thank a heartful thank you to all the devotees, speakers, especially Jagat Sakshi Prabhu, the Kirtaniyas and everyone who contributed their time, energy and devotion in making this event celebration so wonderful and memorable. And as we come to the conclusion of this beautiful celebration of Sri Balaram Purnima, let's take a moment to remember the mercy, blessings and spiritual strength of Lord Balaram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And now we'll celebrate Nived's birthday. I would request Sneha Mataji and Mohanam Prabhu to come as well. We can celebrate, do their celebration as well. Pre-anniversary celebration if they're interested. Okay.
Hare Krishna to you. Hare Krishna.